This video is basically all for the Thar lovers and the off-roaders. So here is the presentation for this vehicle. What we have done from base to top for this modification, we're going to give you an explanation. If we talk about the front profile, if we talk about front from the headlights, we have given them the downfire headlights, which comes with the DRL and the indicators as well. You can see this headlights, what we have installed. Similarly, if we talk about the side profile, we have given them the DRL, which comes with the indicator and the day running light with the hazards. So guys, in this, what we have done, the best part is we have changed the front grille, which come with a Wrangler type grille come with a red billet. The special part of this vehicle is going to be the front chrome and off-roading bumper, which is going to give you a monster and a rigid look, you can see. And if we talk about the front, two shekels look so classy at the front, and it's come with a bull bar and the engine safety guard as well. So if we talk about the down profile, we have given them, as you know, we are giving the best solution for the lighting. So the best lighting solution is 4090, which comes with a double projector, which comes with a dual bifocal lens, and you can see it's going to give you a throw up to 150 meters for the best vision for the off-roading as well as for the highways. So when it comes to the lightning, we have given them the best outcome lightnings, which is going to be from the Awesome brand. This is going to be AE3, AE2 Pro and AE3 Pro. You can see comes with a Pro-Man rotating clamp. This is a 360 clamp. This is the best lightning solutions in terms of the visibility, in terms of the off-roading. So this is not only the lighting solution, this is going to enhance the looks, plus this makes your vehicle more classier. And you can see it comes with a mirror cap as well for the safety of the lenses. Along with that, we have given them the side mirror light, which is a badge for the Thar as well as the indicator. To match and to enhance the looks, we have given them the UFO lights. You can see from inside, we have mounted these lights on top to give a better look and plus to enhance the looks more for the vehicle. So the customer was also, we have given them the explanation about this vehicle modification. So along with that, the side standout, we are giving them the door hinges. Again, this is from ProMan. So it's a complete combination of the black and red, which we have given for the side door hinges, you can see for this vehicle. And for this black beast, what we have given the best lighting solution for the tail lamp as well. We have changed the complete assembly for the tail lamps, which is going to be a Defender style tail lamp, which come with the braking indicators, and you can see the different pattern all in all for the back profile. And we have given them the reflectors, which is going to match with the tail lamps as well as the reflectors at the back. So now coming to the inside profile, we have given them one of the best audio, and to enhance the inside looks, we have given them the best seat covers from Top Gear, which is going to be a combination of black and red, and the complete theme concept what we have given them, the matching floor mats and the armrest behind, which come with a USB charger, and it's going to give you a glossy carbon finish for the back armrest for the back support as well. So guys, if we talk about the audio, we have given them one of the best speakers. This is 165p, which come with a double crossover mid bass and the tutor. Along with that, we have given them the coaxials on the top, and to get the best output from the sound, we have given them the 4.3. This is the Audison, again the amplifier, and customer had a choice to put up the subwoofer, so we have given them a best subwoofer option as well. So to cut unwanted noise from all the door pads and door battle sounds, so we have given them the complete shum of Russian damping to make the vehicle much more smoother and silent, and to cut all unwanted rattling sound and to get the best output from the doors as well. So we have given them the complete 2-layer damping as well for this vehicle. So if we talk about the seat cover, this is going to give you a more comfort and a luxury feel inside. When we talk about the seat covers, it is going to be very, very comfortable for the long journeys as well. So guys, this beast is ready to go for the off-road and on the on-road, because customer, we have seen all the modification. The customer is really satisfied and happy. So guys, this kind of modification, you want to make your base to top, and you want to make this kind of a rugged look for your vehicle. This is Black Beast what is ready now. And you guys want to do upgrade on any of the sort of Thar or Thar Rocks, you can come to RS Car Modifiers and get your best solution done for the vehicle. Thank you, guys.